The audience. In terms of the audience of Martin Luther King Jr.'s speech, I Have a Dream, was formed by all the people gathered in Washington, D.C. In today's U.S. Capitol. These were both white and black civil rights activists who eventually marched for equal rights for African American. The speech was also filmed and broadcast by different kinds of media, which suggest a general American and international audience. In the video, if we take a look at the speech we saw in the class, we can see both white people and the Afro Americans in the audience are cheering and applauding. Notably, the speaker argues that the fight for equal rights is also supported by a part of the white population. And I have a quote to confirm that. For many of our white brothers, as evidenced by their presence here today, have come to realize that their destiny is tied up with our destiny. The content of the speech indicates that the speaker targets the Afro Americans who are willing to fight for equal rights, or who are oppressed and discriminated by the segregation problems such as black codes and the Jim Crow laws. And I have a quote, and some of you have come from areas where you creased for freedom, left you battered by the storms of persecution, and staggered by the winds of police brutality. You have been the veterans of creative suffering.